Good morning, everybody. Page number. Which page number? Tell me. We have to continue.
Ma'am, page
20,
number,
ma'am,
ma'am, page number
27.
27.
Okay, page number 27 and para.
Ma'am, last paragraph.
Okay, the
Yes,
last.
ma'am.
The last para. Okay. So now they see the man and they find that he was a white man. He was an American prisoner of war, and Dr. Sadao, he just remembers the wound, and with his expert fingers, he's able to find out the wound. And as soon as the fingers they touch the wound, the blood it starts oozing out, it starts flowing out, and he understands that not many days back, not many days ago, only a few days back, this man he might have tried to run away, and that was the reason he might have been shot by the army. Okay, and so he was badly injured, and the most unfortunate thing is, again he was injured by the spiked rocks when his body hit the rocks when he was thrown by the water waves. Okay, and he was bleeding badly, and when they were talking, what happens, the mist, it spreads everywhere, and now they were hidden completely. Okay, and this was the time of the day, beta. It was quite late evening, so there were no fishermen on the beach, and even the beachcombers. Who are the beachcombers? Who are the beachcombers?
Ma'am, those
Ma'am, a
Person
group
who
of
that
collect
people.
collect
things from
that.
the beach.
Yes, people who
Okay,
collect
fine.
things from the beaches. Okay, which things?
Which are useful for them.
Ah,
Useful.
though
Yes, ma'am.
those things are a garbage for us, but for them they are valuable. Why? Because they can sell it and they can get money in return. So those things are a means of living for them. Okay, a means of earning for them. Okay, the last para.
Yes, ma'am.
The date, but hurry up. What shall we do with this man? Sadao muttered, but his trained hands seemed of their own will to be doing what they could to stand. Stand means to stop the fearful bleeding. Okay, now Sadao, he muttered, he spoke on his own, and he says that what are we going to do? But though his mind was there that what should be done with this man, but his heart, it was not allowing him to be cruel. So he started trying to stop the bleeding. His hands, they were trying to stop the bleeding that was coming out from the wound. Okay, the wound had started bleeding. And then what did he do? He packed the wound with the sea moss, the seaweeds that were lying there, okay, in an untidy manner near the beach. The seaweeds were lying there. So he just packed the wound with the sea moss. The man moaned with pain. Moaned means cried. Okay, expressions of pain were there. So the man moaned with pain and his stupor. Stupor is the unconscious stage. Unconscious stage. But he did not awaken. So now, as Dr. Sadao, to stop the bleeding, what did he do? Sea moss जो होती है ना, seaweeds नहीं होती हैं, तो जो वहां पर उगी हुई थी, वो पड़ी हुई थी, वो उठाता है and उस wound को he packs. ठीक है, जब वो पैक करता है, that man might have been hurt, he might have felt the pain, so he just moans, okay, in his unconscious stage. The best thing that we could do would be to put him back in the sea, Sadao said, answering himself. Okay, what should we do? He questioned himself, and then again he answered on his own that the best thing is to put this man again into the sea. Now that the bleeding was stopped for the moment, he stood up and dusted the sand from his hand. Once the bleeding was stopped, he stood up. The sand was there in his hands. He just dusted. Yes, undoubtedly that would be the best, Hannah said steadily, but she continued to stare down at the motionless man. Now, even Hannah, he heard the question of Dr. Sadao that he was in a fix that what is he going to do, and then the option also that was given by Dr. Sadao that the best thing would be to put him again into the sea. Okay, so Hannah says there is no doubt that would be the best thing, that we should again throw him into the sea. If we sheltered a white man in a house, we should be arrested, and if we turned him over as a prisoner, he would certainly die. Now see, Sadao, you know, he was in a dilemma. If they are going to shelter this man, they would be arrested. Why they would be arrested, Vita? Why they would be arrested? If they are going to shelter this man, they would be arrested by the government, by the police. Why? What reason?